This is a boat that came in that had some issues. One is it was spraying gas out of that. Right there you can see it's warped. Had some carburetor issues. Someone I guess might have had it apart, but that's one of the floats that we saw in it. And that didn't happen inside. Someone put it back together the last time with that chip out of it. And also they tried to get this jet out of there, and you really can't see it, but they just boogered it up. You can't get the jet out of there the way they tried to get it out. It didn't come out. So we had another bowl, so we just put it on there, built the carburetors. Okay.